Good evening, all. We have built SentinelFlow AI, an intelligent expense reimbursement management system designed to solve real-world challenges. So the main problem we focus on is that most companies still handle expense approval manually or with rigid system. This leads to delay, error, lack of transparency, and no proper fraud detection. To solve this, we design a system that is fully modular, scalable, and intelligent. So this is our dashboard. We can create a company account or use our pre-existing credentials. We have used 3JS for this interactive dashboard. Here I'm logging as a employee. So it's showing me total approved amount, pending review. Also, we have added the feature of trust score so that the customer or employee having a high trust score, we can easily bypass the rule. Or customer having low trust score, we can apply our AI model to check for any fraud. So it also showing recent expenses that the given employee raise an appeal for travel allowance, software and tools, and accommodation. It's also showing spending by category, like the customer raise fund of 7,000 for fuel, 5,000 for meals, 4,000 for travel, 4,000 for accommodation. It also showing fraud alert and the category like high, medium. In my expense section, it's showing our past expenses. We can also submit receipt. Here I am scanning receipt using our AI model. So it automatically detected amount, currency, the category, date, vendor. So here I am sending approval. So AI analyze the risk score, fraud probability. Also it show auto approval eligible. So this is all about employee section. Now talking about manager. So we have given some extra feature in the manager section. Like there are less rule for manager. So in approval, I can see the appeal raised by our users. So I can either approve or reject any approval. It also asks for reason of rejection. Like I'm showing high risk, and I can easily reject any approval. It also showing past approved and rejected cases. In manager section, I can also find expense by each employee. I can also approve or reject from here. In manager section, it also showing the total approved amount, trust score, total rejected cases, and the expense by the category. Talking about admin section, it is similar to manager and employee section. Here also I can submit any receipt of bill for approval. It also showing me my team information. All cases are also listed here, and if in some cases it's also raising a flag like fraud. We have also added a timeline for good interaction. So in this case, AI detected risk score at 78, so we rejected this. It also showing me all the users. In a rule engine, I can also customize all the things. Like in the current situation, I am skipping all the cases having high risk score. I can also turn off this feature. Also in low trust stick mode, I can turn off. Also, if a customer expense is more than the company budget, then in that case also we are rejecting the approval. So if I switch off this large expense review, then any employee can raise an appeal if the company limit is reached. And if I turn on, then user cannot. So it also showing graphs like in the month of March, in the month of May. In audit log, it's showing me all the data of employee and manager also. That's all about our app. Thank you for watching.